Hi everyone, this is KJ from Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang tagal ko na itong gustong gawa ng reaction video But ngayon lang ako nagka-time. And yes, indeed, yung mga nag-message sa akin sa Telegram at Instagram, nare-receive ko yung mga request ninyo. Maraming salamat for that. Gawa natin yung reaction video. Maybe tomorrow, ipapublish ko yon. So unahin muna natin to kasi ang dami nag-request sa akin ito. Yung walang jowa, yung podcast nilang walang jowa. Sino ang Totka mo? This is the episode 1 of podcast ng walang jowa. So this is featuring Joanna and Aya. Ay, akala ko partner-partner sila dito. Hindi pala. Hindi pala sila partner-partner dito, no? Alright, without further ado, let's all watch this. Ano makikita natin dito? Ang ganda ko sa camera kung bago, no? Dapat dati pa pala ako nag-upgrade. Late ko lang kasi na-realize na tsaka pala ang video. Hindi ML lang. Next, ang ano natin, microphone.
I'm Beanie Joanna.
Okay.
Hey everybody, I'm Beanie Aya.
Yung microphone ang next i-upgrade natin. Ay, sila pala ni Aya.
Yeah.
Dahil chismosa tayo, pakinggan natin to.
I love how, kasi di ba we're so
Parang talaga siyang si Piglet or Minita po yung eyes niya.
dancing, and we're always moving around. I mean, we're also moving, pero this time, it's more laid back.
True. And
Yeah.
usap lang talaga. Alam mo yung parang
Yeah.
Usap lang talaga.
wala tayong audience. It's just
Yes.
you and me.
And
Ay.
our thoughts.
Yeah.
And our
Iba yung this is you and
situational
me.
experiences and everything.
Oh my God!
Na, first time natin
sila?
gagawin. Kasi alam mo yung parang hindi naman to normal. Lalo na sa atin.
Gosh, ang ganda ni Joanna.
Parang
Parang
like love in general.
Oo.
Parang
Guys, huwag tayong mag-away-away sa mga ship-ship, ha?
to talk about for our
Kasi may nakita ko sa TikTok, may nag-screen record tapos parang may umalma doon.
mas,
May umalma sa comment
bigyan tayo ng
section.
Chance, alam mo yun.
Away-away.
Let's normalize this topic. Kasi parang normal naman siya. Tao rin naman tayo. Yes,
Yes.
idol tayo. Pero tao rin naman tayo. Na-in-love
Exactly.
din naman tayo. Nasaktan din.
Uy, hindi ko alam. Na-inlove siya.
Yes.
Tao din tayo na pwede.
Ang dry ng
to
lips ko,
love
wait
din
lang.
naman. Kaya let's talk about love.
Okay, go.
Dahil mo baon na.
Dami ba? Dami ba ni
Okay.
Joanna?
So, yung topic natin, interesting siya kasi parang famous line to na, thought ka.
Ay!
Ano?
According to
May cut ka sila.
ni Katy Perry.
Ina.
Yeah.
Siguro sing-sisi yung ano, no?
Favorite.
Oo.
Parang may bubog ka talaga sa kantang to.
Yeah. Favorite word ko siya before. Ay, yung thought ka. Char.
May thought ka. So, sige.
May thought ka siya?
Pero wait lang.
Kita.
Sino ngayon may thought ka na
Let's
priest
start
na ngayon? Si
with,
Stacy.
Defining what is love.
Si Stacy ang may thought
Diba,
ka?
hindi natin masyado na pag-usapan yung ganito. So let's start
Napag-usapan.
with
I love
what
that. The
is it?
emphasis.
Like, what do you understand with love?
Ako, love.
Ano?
Ang hirap naman ng tanong mo. Pwede ano na lang, ano yung, paano ko malalaman kung bahal ko na isang tao?
Ay!
Okay.
Anything about
Go.
love.
Paano ko nakikita kung love ko na isang tao? Siguro, kapag my friends and family are happy dun sa decision ko. Syempre, bukod dun sa love ko talaga siya, gusto ko agree din yung family.
Nagka-boyfriend si Sing-Sisi siguro yung mga boyfriend nila ngayon.
Sila din yung nakakita ng what's best for me.
True.
And yung trust, nandun yung understanding.
Ganda ng boses niya.
Siguro
Oh my God.
dun.
Yeah.
Belter pala siya.
Happy ka, happy all.
Yes.
Ganon.
Yung hindi ko kailangan baguhin yung sarili ko. Hindi ko kailangan
Si Aya, may boyfriend.
Makikita ko siya.
Yung accept ka in your...
Kinikilig talaga ako sa Jolet. Iba yung nararamdaman ko sa
Yeah.
Jolet. Sa totoo lang.
Doon ko malalaman yun.
Sorry makulit ha, pero iba ang nararamdaman ko sa Jolet.
True.
Ikaw?
Parang ginaganon-ganon talaga. Akes!
Simple.
Ang akembang ko.
If true love or... Basta for me, there is love when there's peace. Kasi...
Kung nag-away
Alam mo
ka, hindi
yun,
na love.
you
Kung
don't
umiyak ka,
even
hindi
try.
na love yun.
You're
Totoo
at
lang.
peace,
Huwag
you're
kayong
calm,
boba.
and
Yes.
there's so much love kahit ganun.
Yung parang, paano ba? Hindi trying hard. Hindi ka na
Oh.
nagtitry hard na,
Hindi ka na,
ay, ganito
hindi naman
yung standard.
effort.
Gusto niya ganito
Yes,
yung
tama.
sa babae.
galing,
Yeah,
tama.
Hindi ka...
Ganyan na ganyan tayo mga babae.
bothered lagi.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun, na feeling. Like, it's just at peace.
Feeling.
Ganun.
Gets.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Like,
Yeah.
example with work. I love what I'm doing because I feel at peace. Parang
Mm-mm.
ganun din.
Ah, yeah,
Diba?
true.
Love equals
Kahit
peace.
ako.
That's how I see it.
At peace ko yung pag-video. Kahit
Sige nga,
alam mo yung 10 videos a day,
sige,
11
question
videos a
ako.
day.
Wait lang.
Isa na-
Actually,
isa na ata ako
nag-take
sa
down
mga
ng
ano.
notes.
Ay, may notes.
So, yung
Isa na ata ako sa mga
topic
YouTuber,
natin,
pinakamarami mag-upload sa isang araw.
thought ka,
Sa buong
right
mundo.
person, wrong time. Naniniwala ka ba sa right person, wrong time?
Ako,
Ako naniniwala ako.
right person, wrong time.
Oo.
I used to believe in that
Ay, hindi siya
before.
naniniwala na before.
Kasi, parang,
Spill mo na yan. Puta ka. Ay, sorry.
Go na.
Spill mo na yan.
I used to believe in that before kasi I had an experience
Mm.
na I met this guy and we complement each other very
Sino
well.
yung
Wala
guy?
kaming fights kasi we're very compromising. It's just that yung problem namin that time
Ano?
is the
Time.
timing. Parang I was younger back then,
Ay.
pre-Bini days. Yeah, I was younger and then parang for me,
Minor,
I was in a point where I'm still starting, you know,
Ay,
like ang dami pang
sa Bini?
nangyayari, ang dami pang kailangan. I have to
I have to cut because my ads. Charis.
go that.
Ayan na.
Not love,
Pinatapos
parang
natin yung
romance.
ads kasi ano,
Talaga. Alam mo yung
Yeah.
nandun ka pa sa station na nag-explore ka pa.
And you're still building yourself.
Mm.
Kasi siya that time.
Ano ba?
parang
Nasabihin na ba
settled
siya?
Comparing sa akin.
daddy.
So,
daddy naman
yeah,
pala ang
pero-
nais.
You know,
Baka
I used to
chismosa.
believe in that.
Sorry.
Na parang, baka
Baka
siya,
chismosa.
right person, wrong time. And then maybe he'll just come back and then we'll see each other again and then he'll be the right person. But you know what? There's the saying na the right person will be timeless for you. Like, there's no such thing as wrong timing. Because if he is really...
Oo
if
na lang
he or
ako,
she is
English.
the right person talaga. Yeah, like,
True.
you won't even think na,
Exactly.
ano ba, like, is he right for today? Like, hindi mo yung isip. Kasi, yun talaga. He's the one, ganun.
True
Do
legend.
you believe in
Ako yan.
right person?
Right
timing?
person is timeless. Kasi,
Yeah.
right, paano mo masasabing right person?
Alam mo yung ingat na ingat sila na gusto na nilang
Ano
i-chika
yun, kung
talaga ang
mali na
kita.
nangyayari. Parang, kung mali ang timing, feeling ko kasi nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na, ako lang
May
naman
being
to,
chismosa, may
nabubulag tayo
chismosa
dun sa fact
soul.
na dahil mahal mo, sige,
Nag-awake
tamang tao,
na.
ang pipiliin mong mali, yung nangyayari sa paligid. Gets
Mhm.
ba? Dahil mahal mo yung tao, nabubulag ka dun sa fact na tama ka,
Mm-mm.
mali lang yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin. Pero what if, mali na talaga yung taong napili mo that time?
Yeah. Minsan kasi with love, I believe love is blind. Kasi
Ay,
parang,
totoo yan. Lalo kung maganda
when you're
ka.
especially
Charis.
when you're so caught up in the moment.
Wait lang,
kasi you
i-adjust ko
really
yung
love that
camera.
person, diba? Parang, lahat ng red flag maging pink.
Totoo.
Exactly.
Love mo yung person. Tanggap mo siya. Gano'n.
Tulad yan, na walang
red
red
flag,
trust.
ganun.
Tapos, kapag
Ah.
nawala kayo, doon mo
Dun-
sabihin na,
Diba?
ganyan kasi yan, bakit nga
Doon mo
ganun,
pa
no?
ma-realize. Kasi, like example, when you step out of it, doon mo pa makikita lahat. Doon pa
Oo.
mag-o-open yung mga mata mo. Wow. And then, yeah, oo nga, no, bakit
Bakit
kaya
nga?
ganun?
Alam mo yun?
Oh, that is
Bakit
love.
nga?
Love is
Love is-
confusing
Oo.
sometimes.
Eh?
Oo.
Questionable sometimes.
Questionable
Pero that's love.
First time ko ito
I have
mapanood.
a question. Matagal mo na ba na parang narinig yung term na totga or like right person, wrong timing?
Actually, until now, medyo nako-confused pa rin ako kung ano nga ba talaga yung totga.
Totga.
Ano ba yung totga ba? Yung maayos kayong nag-end? So, totga mo siya? Or
Oo.
totga pa rin ba yung tawag sa nag-end kayo ng
In bad terms?
in bad terms?
Ay.
Yun, medyo nako-confused pa rin ako. Pero, siguro sa experience din.
Feeling
wala
ko
pa
in
rin
good
talaga akong
terms,
experience
totga.
sa totga.
Kasi kung in bad terms, di
Siguro,
paano siya naging top
itry ko bukas. Uy,
Wag, kay kulit ka lang.
naka-experience ka na ba?
Ako, yun nga, akala ko na, kasi, okay, before,
Bigyan mo ako ng specific na
situation.
situation na go.
Sige, let's say for you, you met a guy, and then, kasi
Experience mo
experience
Oo.
ko,
Ay, yun nila
sige,
still
sige, sige.
Go.
Okay,
Okay.
example. So, like, okay, what can you say? So, I met this guy before, and then,
Ay, nagkukwento
you
na siya.
know, we complement each other very well, and then, he helped me, I help him, we grow together.
Wait. So, nasabi mo before na hindi kayo nag-away, di ba? Parang
Mm-mm.
hindi kayo masyadong nag-away. Sa tingin mo, okay yung ganun? Or, kasi ako parang,
Kasi yung iba
Feeling ko
mas
hindi
gusto
yung
na may
okay.
away.
oo,
Grow.
kasi to grow.
Mas maganda yung may away. May lambingan.
Kasi
Nakakatawa
how I
yung walang
see it
away.
in relationships, dapat, when you have fights, it should
Dapat
be
tayo mga
not
babae,
between
gumagawa
you
tayo ng
guys.
paraan
It
para
should
mga
be both of you between a different, parang it's you and the other thing.
Mm.
That's a fight na healthy for me. Hindi yung kayo dalawa nag-aaway. Feeling ko, if may ganun kayo early signs of the relationship, parang yun yung red flag siguro. Oo,
Mm.
red flag na yan.
Yes.
Kasi that's hard. You have, I guess that's something na internally you have something to work on. Yeah.
Tama.
Yeah, back to situation.
Go.
Sige.
Practice.
So
Order
let's
niya.
say, sige. I used to have a guy before, and then we complement each other very well, and then yung family niya gusto ako, yung family ko naman, well,
Shui.
Ito lang.
sakto
Shui.
lang.
Same.
Because
Okay
I
lang.
was I was younger.
Pero legal.
Ay!
Ano?
Ay!
Ano,
Ay!
like, alam mo yung
Tita.
there, but not there yet.
Tita,
Ay!
si ate ayaw.
Hindi, alam nila yung guy, pero hindi siya official.
Gets.
Not yet that time. Parang hirap no kasi parang wala man ng the one, hindi pa pala ano.
Actually, no? Parang,
Or
kailangan mo
maybe,
yung parents.
or maybe because you're so blind na pag first mo na na encounter na something love or romantic relationship, parang akala mo the one na agad.
Mm-mm.
Ang daming ganon. Like, first nila na feel na love from someone. Eto na, the
Oo.
one.
Siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko.
Okay.
Ganun kaya, di ba? Parang, siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. Hala, tapos parang sasabihin nila, nakikita ko na yung sarili nilang naglalakad daw sa aisle ng
Ay!
simbahan.
Taray.
Mga hopeless
Totoo ba?
romantic like
Diba?
me. Ay,
Hopeless romantic.
but yeah, okay, ito. So, let's say yun, like, you're going so well. Pero, kasi
Pero?
siya, mas settled na siya
Mm-mm.
kaysa sa akin.
Kasi,
Mm.
ano siya?
Older.
Siya sa'yo.
And
He,
she
oh!
has,
Ay!
pwede naman she. Di sure. Hindi, he has, parang,
Ay, okay.
well,
Kala
has
joke lang
that
pala yun.
time. And ako parang, I'm new to,
Relationship.
to the adult life. Parang,
Okay.
I just
Gets.
started making money on my own, parang ganun. Pero siya, he's really in that stage na parang,
Settle down.
it's so easy for him to decide things.
Mm-mm.
Ganun.
Mm.
So, yun, never kami nagka-problem, never kami nagka-away. Pero, it's just that's why,
Boring
nawala.
yun.
Di ba, it's so questionable how, hindi kayo nag-away, pero, ba't nawala?
Oo.
Di ba? And it's because,
Parang-
yung time na yun, so,
Parang yung
how
conversation,
things
yung
went
kay hello,
is
kamusta,
that,
how's your day na lang.
kasi
Pag ganun.
settled na siya, and because he loves me so much, yun nga,
Ay.
he wants na,
Lahat bigay sa'yo.
he wants na I go with him,
Mm-mm.
like, sama kami, ganun, and then I leave my job.
So, parang,
pero
working na
ako
din
ayoko
si
na
sa
Ann.
lahat
kasi-
ng decisions niya, nasan yung sa'yo.
Oo,
ganun.
yun yung naisip ko.
Mm.
Kaya siguro, yun na,
Galing
yun
naman ni
naisip ko.
Sheena.
Mm-mm.
Wala. Kasi ako din,
Sino
I
ka dyan,
don't wanna
Sheena?
be dependent on someone.
Mm.
Even if parang, like, wow, thank you because you thought of that, na you care for me, na you want to be the provider for me. Pero, I want to do something din naman for my own.
True. Tama naman.
And why can't we do something for each other and also do something na we both want separately? Tapos yun yung naging breaking point namin. Kasi, he was like, I want you to be with me. Like, I can provide for you. Ganon, ganon. So, ikaw, what do you think about it?
Feeling ko, okay na rin na nawala kayo. Kasi pag naman nag-split, hindi
Ay,
naman,
So, you're happy for that? No, sige.
kasi hindi naman, ibig sabihin na nag-split kayong dalawa. Nag-split.
Nag-split.
Nag-split na. Ano naman yun eh, parang, ako nakikita ko siya as positive pareho.
Mm.
Posible kasi na pinag-meet kayo
Mm-mm.
para lang tulungan i-grow yung each other.
Exactly.
Mm.
Exactly.
Para ready
Ang galing ni
kayo sa
Joanna,
next
ah.
relationship nyo.
Baka Master Joy yan.
Yeah, actually, ganun nga, no. Yun din nakakita ko. Kasi, it's either, so how I see then with Totga, parang, example, hindi kayo and ang dami ko mga friends na ganito, na experience nila. So, like, example, at first you were in a relationship, tapos biglang nawala. Tapos, the one that got away, di ba? Or right person, wrong time. You will know, and ang daming parang nag-meet sila again, and
Mm-mm.
sila nagkatuluyan. You will know if that person is the right person when kahit ang dami pang nangyayari in between, hindi kayo nagkitang a lot of years has passed by. Kasi, sabi nila, pag kayo talaga meant to be, hahanapan talaga kayo ng way for you to
True.
get back with each
Sugulat
other.
yan.
And if hindi man, it
Sugulat
means
yan.
he wasn't the right person after all. And yung na-experience mo together, even if it's sad na nag-break kayo, pero ano pala, parang naging preparation pala or naging you grew something from it. You
Para
learned
maging
something from
ready
it.
ka.
Yeah, to prepare you for someone na right person pa pala for you.
Yes. Pero sa
Yeah.
case mo, if ever lang
Are you asking me na, is
Ay.
he gonna be the right person in the
Hindi.
future? Ganon?
if ever lang na mag-try ulit siya, tinanong ka to,
Okay.
to go out on a date,
Ay.
papayag ka ba?
Ay!
In this point,
Ay! May ads. Point
I
yan tayo.
am in
Oh.
my healing stage.
Healing stage?
No,
Bakit
pero-
hurt?
Yeah, so years has passed by when that happened.
Madami na nagbago.
And I realized, I thought before na parang,
Siya na.
May chance pa.
I wasn't, nung time na nawala kami, parang I was still hopeful. Na parang I told him na, this is,
Gusto ko malaman
this
kung
may be
umiyak ba
an
siya
ending,
na
but I
nag-break
don't
sila.
see this as a total
Kasi
end.
okay naman yung
Kasi
nila break up
as long as
daw.
I'm living, you're living, we might see each
Tsaka
other in the
ang
future.
small
ganon.
world, nasa
Diba?
isang lang kayo, nasa isang place kayo.
Oo.
Cebu din.
Ay! Gagi. Okay.
Okay. Kailangan lang.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan kay Ate Aya, ano ba?
Oo.
Baka mo pa na yan.
Oo. But yeah, that has happened like years before pa.
Mm-mm.
And ayun, akala ko na parang, I'm still happy. Baka mag-meet kami in the future because that's how much I really love him. And I love you. I'm willing to let go of you first for now so I can work on myself. You can work on yourself. But I'm still hopeful because maybe, baka magkita pa tayo in the future.
Mm.
But then, time has passed.
So
and
parang hindi mo kino-close yung doors.
yeah,
Oo.
before.
Before, kino-close siya na. Kino-close siya na. Feeling ko nakikipagbalikan pa si Kai.
ayun, I
Charing-
realized, and
What was this
nag-connect
ba?
siya with yung
1 year
usapan
ago.
natin before na when you're so
June
in love,
19.
parang you think na
Mm.
everything is a fairy tale, lahat ng red flag di mo nakakita.
Yes.
Mm.
And that time na parang hindi na kami, and I stepped out, and then looking back to what we had, parang
May red
doon ko
flag?
na-realize na it's really a reason kung bakit din
Hindi na-work.
hindi kami nagkatuluyan.
Mm.
Kasi, even if we were complimenting each other, pero yung mga goals namin hindi nagko-compliment
Mm-mm.
pala. Yeah.
Yes.
Kaya we had that separation of path. Ganon. But yeah, and then I realized na
Hindi talaga.
baka that is just meant to happen in preparation for the other
Mm.
person the right time. And siya, parang nakahanap na siya ng ng person eh. And I'm the happiest. Like, ako din, if you love someone, you only wish their happiness, di ba?
Mm.
So, kung saan masaya yung tao, I'm all for that. So, ayun.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm happy on my own din. I'm, like, where I am right now, I'm happy because even if ganun yung mga nangyari sa amin, but I learned a lot. So, that's what's important for me.
Parang
So-
parang yung sinabi mo yan, parang I'll always want what's best for you, even parang kahit wala na ako dun. Parang
Mm-mm.
even,
Sometimes love doesn't mean na kailangan kayo dalawa lagi. Kaya nga, may mga yung mga platonic, di ba?
Mm.
Hindi sila together, pero there's still love in it. Like, it's better as friends. Pero there's so much love. Alam mo yung ganun? Kasi most people, when they think about love, dapat kayo talaga magkasama. Dapat romantic relationship
gets.
talaga siya, di ba?
pero minsan pag naman, alam mo yung pag matagal na kayo, may point talaga siguro na
Sawa.
sa relationship na,
Meron talaga.
kilig.
Meron talaga,
Hindi naman ibig
dear.
sabihin nun.
Hindi mo na love.
Oo,
Ganun
naman
talaga,
love.
Joanna.
Normal na, kasi alam mo yun,
Ganun
matagal
talaga
na
siya,
kayo,
based on
and
my
nasanay
experience.
na kayo sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Opo, nagka-girlfriend
Yes.
ako. Okay.
Nakapagod na kayo makita yung mga pagmumukha.
Feeling ko posible din na gano'n, no? May mga ganong times. Pero kung mature din naman kayo mag-isip, siguro, pwede mo sabihin na, pwede, I need space.
Mm.
Pwede sa friends muna ako.
Mm.
Pwede naman ganon.
Okay,
Ang
wait.
hirap, no?
So now that I've talked about mine,
Ay,
I want to ask
there you
you,
go.
may experience ka ba or something with thought ga right person wrong time?
Cut na po.
Cut na po. Feeling ko meron.
Grabe ka.
Ga.
Ganda ni Joanne. Ma?
Tita.
Ay, meron.
Hindi kasi nila alam.
Hindi nila alam. Kasi nila
Alam
alam.
nila to, pero hindi kasi ako vocal before. Naging open lang din naman talaga ako sa parents ko na naging beanie ako. Eh, nangyari to, pre-beanie. So, hindi nila alam to. Ang alam nila,
Yung dad ni Joanna, yung
alam,
naghatid
happy
ng
na
van
pero
sa
hindi
kanila,
nila alam
right?
na,
Yung naghatid sa kanilang
umabot
van,
ng
parang
2 years
naalala
ng
ko yun.
talking stage, ganon.
Yung umiyak yung dad niya.
So,
Nang hinatid siya sa Bini
ayun.
House. Si
Kaya
Joanna yun,
sobrang
right?
Feeling ko siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko kasi
Ay.
akala ko talaga siya na. So,
May ad, sorry.
Pero alam mo, common yan
Diba?
dati.
Ah.
Kasi akala ko din like, yung mga ganun na thought, like mga signs na pag siya yung makasama mo to go to your
Oo.
graduation, mga ganun, di ba? Akala mo the one na agad.
yung hihingi ka pa ng signs, hello, totoo ba yung
Oo.
hihingi ka ng signs? Lord, kapag lumubog na yung araw na gano'n.
So, naka-experience ka na ba ng ano?
Ayan,
Have you met someone
Back to the topic.
na parang, this is the one na ba? Ganon.
Oh, feeling ko kasi sobrang, syempre bata pa ako mag-isip. Kapag may common kami, may common things, yun, feeling
Kala
ko
mo
meant to
yun na
be na,
yun.
binibilang ko talaga siya. Hala, pareho
May
kami.
lista ka pala, no?
Pareho kami solong anak. Shucks, ito na yun.
Hala, pareho kami
Pareho
ng
kami
birth month.
Oo, ganon. diba? Parang, binibilang. Pero ano naman, siguro maganda rin na nag-start kami as friends. So, ngayon, tropa-tropa talaga. Kapag uuwi, walang ilangan.
So, you consider that as your...
Hindi.
Ay,
Kasi,
sorry, boy.
syempre, yung love naman, nakikita mo siya kapag hindi lang puro kilig, nakikita mo din yung tao na yun. Alam mo yung sa future makakasama mo. Sa kanya kasi hindi eh. Talagang naiilang ako pag nakikita. Parang wala pa sa akin that time yung nakikita ko siyang lalakad kami sa simbahan.
Well, kasi you were still so young.
Oo, yun
at that
naman.
time. You were
So,
younger.
hindi ko siya i-consider na to. Nood na celebrity to. Celebrity sila. Celebrity
okay.
couple. Tapos
Celebrity
parang okay sila. Good term sila. Pero yung isa, sinabi na iba yung thought niya.
Ay,
Okay,
parang alam
ba
ko
sa
to.
yun? Halimbawa, tayo.
Oo.
Good
Gago,
terms
hindi yun
tayo.
okay.
Pero in-interview ako, sinabi ko sa interview na
And we're
ang thought
together,
ko
ganon?
ay siya.
Gago,
and we're
hindi.
together that time.
Hindi yun okay.
Parang awkward.
Diba?
yun.
Ay, hindi yun okay. Hindi talaga.
Feel.
Ah.
Pero sa tingin mo,
dear.
ikaw,
Paano maging okay
Ano, normal
yun?
lang ba
The
siya
one that
or-
got away?
Well, kasi the thought ga nga, it's hard because thought ga, or the one that got away, right person, wrong time, it varies from person to person. And especially with the situation that they can
Talino ni
experience.
Aya.
It varies. Kaya ang daming nagde-debate nito.
Oo.
If they believe in it, they don't, ganun. Kasi,
Gets.
like sa mga movies din,
Ang hirap
ang
nung
daming
thought
ganun
ka.
na sila. Tapos, in between, may mga partners. So, akala nila, wrong person talaga. Kasi, we have partners na we're even married.
Oo,
So,
exactly.
hindi talaga yung right person.
Exactly.
Pero, in the future pa pala, nag-meet sila kahit
Ay.
may anak na, kahit married na. So, diba, it's really hard. Diba?
Ang hirap talaga.
Alam mo, nakakatakot din no, kasi alam mo yung kasal na, tapos may
True.
anak na, pero hindi pa
Well, nasa sa inyo na yan kung maglalandi pa kayo.
Alam mo yun yung
Tapos
fear
tapos
ko.
mag-meet kayo in the future.
Diba?
Ano yung mga ganun, no?
Yan yung parang feeling ko, fear ko na makahanap ako ng tao na sobrang mamahalin ko. Tapos, mamahalin din ako. Okay kami. Pero yung purpose pala and yung destiny nyo is to just
Hindi.
miss each other
Aww.
for their entire life.
Or
Gets ba?
baka baka that person was the right person for that time and that time only.
Ay,
Mga ganun, no?
ay, ang galing. Galing si Aya.
Future.
Ang galing ni Aya.
Ang amazing, no? How
Ay,
timing
man.
is very
Galing ni Aya,
key
no?
pala in finding someone. Like, even if, example, kasi with love, I strongly believe it's not just feelings based. It's a choice. Like, example, ikaw, gusto ko na, ikaw na talaga, ikaw yung the person that I wanna marry, have kids with. Pero sometimes, even if ikaw, intentions mo ganun, like very clear, clean, and very sure.
Uy, in fairness,
Pero
maganda pala yung
sometimes it
podcast
can
nila.
be a one-sided
First time kong
thing.
gumawa ng
Like, for
reaction
you,
video
it's
sa
not
podcast.
how
Ay,
you
hindi,
see it pala.
YouTube pala.
Kaya, yeah, it's also really important when you find someone, dapat mutual yung understanding nyo,
Shoots.
yung intentions nyo. Especially that intentions are very hard to see. Kasi it's so easy to say it, but to show it is hard. Yeah. Mahirap, no? Like, ang dami na nangyayari.
Dami
na
nangyayari.
Tapos, yung pinaka-end game pala is, the person you met 30 years before. Yung mga ganun.
Or yung endgame mo pala, hindi pa pinapanganak.
Ay, ganun. Baby boy naman pala.
Oo,
Diba?
dami ganun. Like, may mga nakita din ako movies na, like, nag-meet sila, hindi nga sila nagkasila. Pero, parang, example, high school, sweetheart sila. Pero, they had this very genuine love na kahit puppy love siya, tapos, in between of their lives, may mga anak na sila, married sila, pero nag-meet sila nung matanda na sila. Tapos,
Ay.
to think na puppy love lang sila noon. May nakita akong ganun. True story. Tapos, ang galing, di ba? Kasi
Ang galing, di ba?
you really can't tell sometimes, even if you want to be certain of the future.
Naiyak.
Yeah.
Ala,
So, would you consider, is that, right person, wrong time? Pero, ang hirap
Alam mo
kasi-
sa sinabi mo,
Mm.
parang,
Ah,
oo. Parang, medyo na,
right
ako
person, wrong time.
merong ganun.
Merong
Sa ano mo
ganun, oo.
sa mga kwento mo
Kaya it
kanina.
varies talaga, no?
Depende talaga,
Diba?
depende.
Depende.
Totga, the one that got
Sabi mo yung bedroom voice ni Aya dito.
The one that got away.
Guys, favorite na favorite niya talaga yan.
Before.
Lagi mo yung before.
Kinakanta ko siya talaga pag nag-live stream.
May pinapatamaan.
Naman.
Pero at least, di ba, nasa healing stage ka na.
yeah.
Ay, healing
and
stage, hindi pa siya
parang
Yung
healed.
learnings mo.
Yeah, and I'm in this point na, kasi, yeah, again, with everything is a choice. So that, what I experienced before, I chose for it na, ako na mismo nag-decide na, that person may be the right person for that time only. And that's it. That's the end. Cut. Nothing more, nothing less. And now I'm in this point in my life na, okay, I move on and maybe, and I strongly believe there's a right person pa pala.
Pero may
Sino
interaction pa rin kayo.
Ako?
Sino kaya?
I mean, like now?
Anong masabi mo? Friends ba kayo na? Or naging, na lang din talaga siya?
Parang,
Stranger na lang, back
hindi
to
naman sa
stranger.
stranger. Kasi grabe, di, ba, may pinagsamahan,
pinagsamahan
din
na,
naman tayo. Pero, lang, like, pass is pass. That's it. You're just from there.
Ay,
Yeah.
grabe.
Kasi
Grabe si Aya.
back again with
Grabe si Aya,
na
napaka-mature.
the right person is timeless. So, if that time, hindi tayo nag-work, there's a reason for it and you're not the right person.
Napaka-mature ni
That's how I
Aya mag-isip.
Kaya gusto ko kung sino yung magiging first ko.
feel. Mm-mm.
Yun yung papakilala ko talaga sa
Magiging
parents
first
ko.
ko.
And,
So, wala pa siya naging
And
jowa.
hopefully, magiging last.
Also, one last thing. And, kasi, again, back with the everything is a choice. Even if
Ang galing ni Aya,
that's
guys.
the right person. Pero,
Very
you know,
articulate siya, no?
everything is worked on. Parang, you both have to make an effort na kayo mismo magiging right person for the other person.
Ay.
So, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right person,
Ano
right
mo, dami ko
time.
natutunan
Ako
sa
din.
mga sinabi mo.
Ako din.
Wow.
Kasi,
Grabe si
di
Aya.
ba
Hindi ko tayo
di ba yung
na-expect.
iba parang naging standard, nakailan ka ng jowa, gano'n. Tapos parang, nadjudge natin yung mga tao base dun sa kung
Numbers
nakailang
of
ex na sila.
relationships. Yes.
Pero kasi yung iba, alam mo yun, may point sila na baka ganun, nag-explore sila, para kapag nahanap na nila yung tao talaga,
Stop na.
no, alam mo na, alam na nila yung gagawin nila.
Yeah. Like, every person they meet, there's a different learning they
Learning,
get
oo.
from them.
Yes, hindi masama. Ang masama, yung sobra-sobra.
I mean, in general, too much of something is a
Oo.
bad thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun.
The one that got
Karoon,
away.
Aray.
Abay. Gagi.
It's like, song ni Katy Perry.
Yes. Alam mo, thank you. Kasi, ang dami kong Actually, di ba, kanina, sobrang strong ko na walang right person, wrong time. Pero after hearing your thoughts, oo, meron nga.
So you
meron.
believe in right person, wrong time nga?
Oo.
Ay!
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Ako naman hindi.
Ikaw naman hindi.
Ano nga, kasi I feel like if that's the right person, that's the right person. Hindi, I mean before.
Okay.
Before na I used to believe. But now talaga, I believe na if right person, I won't think about time because time is timeless for me.
Yeah.
If I'm with you.
Galing ni Aya.
You're right. Yeah.
Galing ni Aya,
Kaya
guys.
sa mga listeners natin, kayo, siguro pag nagmahal kayo, wag niyong ibigay lahat kasi okay lang din naman piliin yung sarili niyo.
And I mean, it should start with yourself then.
Totoo.
Yeah.
True. I couldn't agree.
Yeah.
Self-love pa rin. Yeah.
Oh my God, ang galing ni Aya.
20?
Seryoso. Ang galing ni Aya.
8. Tinagalan.
Yeah.
Pero ayun, alam mo yun, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling na nakapag-usap tayo ng ganito. Kasi hindi tayo nakakapag-usap ng ganito. Kasi alam mo, parang illegal siya sa P-pop world.
Oo, true. Kaya nga nagulat ako na merong ganito. Kasi
let's normalize
illegal siya.
this topic.
Illegal
Kasi
siya sa pop group actually,
alam
not
nyo,
just sa
kaming
P-pop.
mga idols nyo, di ba? Tinuturing tayong
Idols.
idols. Ba,
Mga
ng
Lodi
blooms.
cakes.
Ng blooms natin.
Idols.
Tinuturing nyo kami idols. Pero lahat ng naranasan nyo, nararanasan din namin.
Ay!
Oo
Ay,
naman.
sasalita
Oo,
siya.
diba? Hindi nyo sure na may
Sasalita siya,
kausap
oh.
ba kami ngayon? Or
Ala!
Pero tao din kami, nagmamahal, nasasaktan,
Ano ba?
iniiwan.
Yeah, and also, disclaimer, the things that we have talked, maybe iba-iba yung mga pananaw ng iba, you know. Kasi this is really a debatable topic. Like, a lot of people agree, a lot of people don't. But these are just our insights.
Ang ganda ni Aya. Oh my God.
2 years from now,
Ang ganda ni Aya.
iba na naman yung yung thoughts ko
Definition.
about this, di ba?
Yeah.
Depende
It
sa
varies.
depende sa nangyayari.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
dati wala pa naman yung, alam mo,
Yeah.
wala namang MU dati. Parang,
It's either friends,
oo.
jowa, tapos kasal.
Yun na.
Diba?
Diba? So,
Ngayon
di
may
natin
mga
alam.
gantong terms na,
Totga.
ano yung situationship?
Situation.
Totga.
Oo nga, ngayon may mga ganyan na
If
situationship.
you meet someone,
Totga.
yun na yun,
Yun na yun.
pakasal, happy ending. Pero,
True.
in life, things don't always work out. And sometimes it's okay. Because things happen for a reason.
And
Exactly.
for a lesson.
Yes,
Yeah.
for a lesson. I love that.
I love you, Tati Kyle.
Let's love ourselves.
Nagawa natin to.
Yeah.
Kasi takot ako mag-open up. Kasi nga first time ko. And siguro may nalaman ng aking parents na hindi nila alam yun.
May nakatotga pala. Wala totga.
Wala,
Sabi niya,
wala,
hindi niya
wala.
consider as
Wala
totga.
pa.
Ay, sana wag naman.
Oh, ayaw
sana
naman.
the one
Oo,
lang.
the one na. The
Diba?
one na.
Okay.
The one.
Okay.
Yes! And that's it for
Ay, tapos
our
na.
episode.
Okay.
Totga or the one that got away.
Right person, wrong time.
Okay.
And again, this is our podcast
Ng mga
Walang jowa. Talaga
If
ba?
you guys
Single ba talaga
enjoyed
sila?
our episode,
Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Parang gusto ko pang umisa. Alam mo yun. This is AJ Vlogs and see you next. Bye!